Hi. We're having a little glass of wine mixed with some orange bubbly. And we're gonna do my nails. Because they're not looking too cute. So let's just get right on into it. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't done like nails in a while. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna show some of the inspo for the nails. I found these on Pinterest. So basically want to try something like this. Cute little star, like sparkle things, but yes, let's see how we do. Okay, so let's show some materials we got to do this nail look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm really sorry if it's like kind of all over the place. It is currently 11:48 p.m. Monday, May 11th. So, yeah. By the way, I am of legal drinking age here in Canada, so don't come for me. Thanks. So, what we got here? Some nail polishes. From the picture, I'm clearly probably going to be using just these three, but I just thought these two were really pretty together. Like, oh. Next thing is this very fancy schmancy bag. Haven't opened this for about since I was probably 13. I'm 20. This is gonna be fun. We got some nail tools in here. We have some of these like nail art pens. I don't think I'm gonna use these today. Maybe though. Maybe. Might need to come to these as last resort. And then just like a bunch of random stuff. So that's that. So these are just like the little brush thing and a little like dabber. You know you're a bad bitch if you had these when you were younger. Just saying. Just saying. We also got some paper towel because this is going to be a good idea after that. Showed you guys the pic I'm going off of. So we're going off this very cute little nail sparkle thing. I don't know. I like it. Put some paper towel down. Can never be too prepared. Got it. I guess I'll just test which one of these colors I want to do. We have OPI.
Put it in neutral.
And stop it, I'm blushing. Hers is like a really natural color, so I'm gonna try this one. Put it in neutral. Oh, this is where it gets scary, guys. Cheers. Chicken leg looking hand again. Cheers.
That wine's not my favorite.
Oh my goodness. Okay. That looks like literally nothing. We're maybe do 2 coats. We're doing 2 coats. I started watching Tiger King. That is an interesting experience for sure. I'm just enjoying the ride, you know? Just having a fun time with Joe Exotic and Carol Baskin. Killer cousin whack. Can't convince me like it didn't happen. Oh god. That's the current sitch. Doing another coat. So I'm gonna do another coat really quickly and then we're gonna get into the details, okay? Oh fuck. Ugh, whatever. I painted 2 layers of that stuff on. I'm gonna go ahead and make the little sparkle things with just this L'Oreal.
Hit the slopes.
I'm using a old formula sheet ripped up. Got the inspo. We're just gonna do like a dollop. Do a dollop of daisy. Boop. Oh my goodness. I I'm shaking so much. It's the problem. Oh. Oh. I'm thinking it might be time to implement the brush. Because I'm a nail tech like that. Oh my god, it's so thick. I don't know why I'm trying to make this like a tutorial. I mean, obviously it's not of that sort. Oh. Maybe I should zoom you guys in. That's probably a good idea. The progress we're making is not amazing. Oh god. That does not look spectacular, but we're just keeping it going. Okay, I kind of have a funky idea for these two nails. We'll get to that. Okay. This is where it gets a little messy, folks. Oh god. This just keeps getting worse and worse, huh? Back to, the Tiger King topic. Let me know if any of you guys think Doc Alter, whatever his name is the biggest creep ever. Because literally he gives me such creepy vibes. Like, it's actually insane. Like, I just think he's like really freaky and weird. And like, ugh, that one girl that got like her boobs done to like work for, ugh. I just know I think Doc is creepy, and I don't like him. I think it's like a good show because it's like so bad it's good, you know? It's like you can't look away. At the beginning of the second episode, that chick got her fucking arm torn off, and they filmed it. Like she moved it and there was like little strings and stuff. It was probably from her shirt, but still. This looks horrendous. Why do I ever try to do stuff like that? Guys, it looks bad. I'm gonna insert what this looks like. I'm gonna do the other hand and we'll come back. I'm back and I did my left hand. To be honest, I might just take it up and do half my nails pink and half them green. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm really sorry that it was kind of a train wreck. So hopefully you don't unsubscribe, but if you liked it, subscribe. And I promise my videos are like better than this most of the time. So it's kind of just a shoot. I don't know. But hopefully you enjoyed it, so subscribe. I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, bye, good night. Love you. Honestly, don't know what happened. This is our shining star. So is this, and this. Whoa. Okay, time for me to go. Bye.